All you do is pull up like this. You don't want your sword to go everywhere. Shake. Oh, look at that potato. I got a potato already. We're going to throw them right there.
He got a potato.
Got a potato? Let me quit playing.
It's a baby. I know you're going to want it.
We're going to put the babies back in there. In his seed potato. We're going to drop seed potatoes back in there. And a little bit of potatoes going to go back in there. What you hollering woo for? Don't do that. Scaring me.
I can't say that about the potato.
Oh, you scaring me, dude. Woo. That was in there.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Man.
We got another potato.
Oh, he got nothing, Toto.
No, man.
Yes, he do.
Look like I see one right there.
You gotta hold your camera still, baby. Be focused. Get with Toto. Look what Toto. See there? See there? He got some. He got some.
I can make straws.
Oh look at this. Ooh. We're gonna have dirt and potatoes in the basket. You gotta shake that soil off of there. Oh my God. We don't throw no soil away. You gotta give up soil, boy. For real. Yeah. So we don't throw soil away. That's how we keep growing.
Got a nice size.
We got cameraman Jay, y'all.
He got some.
Look at that baby.
Why you put the other one in there?
I ain't put it in there, it failed. There you go, there you go. You have to, like, when you pull them out, you have to be careful with them. See, you doing good. Some of them, they scratch real easy. You can ruffle them up, and the skin come off real easy. That's why they tell you don't wash them when you harvest them. You gotta let them cure. Oh, you gotta go all the way to the bottom of that bag, cause these red potatoes grow deep. The brown ones, they don't go so deep. But these red ones, they go down in there.
You might have a big one.
Do that.
Oh, man.
Look at the babies. That rain damaged so much stuff, y'all.
Let's show Toto that.
Those little tiny ones, I just pop them off and put them back in there.
Just keep that in there, Toto.
We're going to try to go get us some more seed potatoes because I definitely want to plant back out. Ain't no way I'm not going to plant back out.
Ooh. Ooh, he got some big
ones. I can't stop. Feel like I found some. Little root, you know, little root.
Found some stems.
Yeah, some stems.
Potato.
I don't think it's gonna be a bad
Dude pulling out varieties of potatoes.
Multiple, not variety.
Well, multiple.
Yeah. I think I got these potatoes, these seed potatoes. I actually got these at Wally World. That's where you need to keep.
I think Toto got more than you, Mom.
Ain't no competition, man.
Nah, ain't no competition.
We gonna make you one.
This dude. You changed.
Come on, we gonna make you one.
You changed. Yep.
Yeah. We got potatoes, tomatoes. No. We doing a whole lot better this year than we did last year. I'm gonna say that. But last year I had a container full of dirt. I could have sworn I was gonna have potatoes. How it was so green and pretty and lush. Wasn't nothing in that soil. I wish I had a tarp to pour it out on. That way we can just pour it out and uh-oh, y'all. Uh-oh. What I feel?
Ooh, bingo.
See how I just scarred that up?
Yeah. I think I got it.
Oh, go down till you touch the ground all the way around. But they be down in there.
I see one.
It's fun harvesting potatoes. It's just fun to me. You know what I'm saying? It is. And this is your first harvest. First time harvesting potatoes. You usually be recording me. So how I feel to harvest potatoes, so.
It's fun.
I've been did this before, true to this.
You true to this?
So you gonna grow you some potatoes, man?
Yup.
I grow.
I want 2 bags.
I can buy a potato and start it off with in one of them baskets.
Jay said he gonna make some fries.
Ooh, dragonflies. It's like the potatoes look bigger on camera. What type of potato?
No, this is some kind of.
A lizard, probably a lizard.
It's a lizard egg.
Ooh. What? Let's grow it. Let's raise it.
We gonna look this up because now I'm curious.
Don't crush it.
I'm not.
Yeah, let's see it over here.
Wonder why. That's probably why the lizard was in here like that. And it was hesitant to run away when I was trying to shoo it away. And that's probably why. I thought it had a baby in here.
I just crushed another egg. Look, I just crushed.
It's a baby lizard egg.
I ain't trying to crush it.
I've never seen that day in my life. An actual egg. Like, an actual lizard egg. Y'all want to
I
raise it?
wonder how long she thought she had in this bag though. So y'all, I harvested potatoes out of here, this bag, and this bag. These are 10-gallon bags. Now, in the midst of harvesting, I found this egg. And I just looked it up. This is a reptile egg. What do y'all think I should do with this reptile egg? It's rubbery. I don't want to throw it away because the mama lizard, I'm guessing that's the mama now. I ran her off. And now I see why she was hesitant to jump out this bag. So leave in the comments what y'all think I should do with this reptile egg.